Hello everyone, I am Bogsong and this is The South Life. Sa episode na to, tunghayan natin ang iba't ibang mga relaxing spots dito sa South. Tulad na lamang ng mga massage spa at mga aesthetic coffee shop. Kaya sa episode na to, samahan niyo ako para malaman kung ano-ano yung mga coffee shop na ito, mga massage spa na pwede nating puntahan. Kaya tara, let's go! Dumayo tayo dito ngayon sa Doña Soledad kung saan matatagpuan natin ang The Capitol Premium Coffee. Kaya tara, pasukin natin ang Capitol Premium Coffee. So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Capitol and we're gonna have our breakfast for today. So tara, pasok tayo. Actually, pagpasok nyo pa lang, mararamdaman nyo na ang kanyang very relaxing ambience and very unique ang kanyang coffee shop at mapapansin din natin dito na napakadami niyang mga selection of food. Alam nyo ba guys, meron sila ditong mga samot-saring mga breakfast food, pati na rin guys ang mga pang dinner, coffee, and you can pay with GCash, Paymaya, and also alam nyo ba, masasarap din ang kanilang mga pastry because they are fresh every day. So, ang in-order ko for today ay garlic rice, waffle, sausage, egg, and bacon. So, tara, let's eat na! Ang pinupuntahan ko talaga dito sa Capitol is etong waffle nila. Talagang super sarap talaga nito and very worth trying. Lalong-lalo na kung nagkikrave ka ng mga breakfast food. Actually guys, fan talaga ako ng mga breakfast food. So, tara, try natin tong waffle nila. Harap. Try natin tong sausage nila. Sarap. Bagong luto pa, mainit pa. Yeah guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga relaxing spots dito na may mga breakfast food, na may mga drinks, dito po tayo sa Capitol Premium. Actually guys, super relaxing nito kasi super spacious, super daming mga sofa, maraming mga charging spots, and may wifi na rin po dito. At napakasarap pa ng mga food. Actually, before nag-order ako dito ng pasta, nag-order din ako dito ng mga ibang dish. Super delicious po and super ganda rin ng customer service. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Capitol Cafe, lalagay ko po dyan yung address below. So let's enjoy our breakfast. This video is brought to you by Glutasol Soap by Erickson's Choice. Or Gina Easy Care Cover Patch, a quick solution to pesky blemishes. Busy Bee Cleaning Corporation. Freedom to create, shine with your unique style. VinFast VF3. Elevating man's grooming with Envy My Man. Dahil relaxing day ko, dumayo ako dito sa dulo ng Doña Soledad. So let's visit You Need a Massage Spa and to learn more about their services. So tara, let's go! So let's check kung ano yung mga services na meron sila. Kasi di na ako masyado nakapag-vlog pa sa loob. Pero I can tell you na super relaxing talaga ang massage dito. And highly recommended. So, ayan, let's get to know about their services.
And everything. So if you want 2 hours, you get an additional free add-on. And then we have VIP packages.
Okay, so what's your best seller?
Traditional Helot.
Traditional Helots.
Traditional Helot is exact pressure to your needs.
Mm-hmm.
Deep tissue is hard pressure, Swedish soft and haggard, Thai is more on stretching.
Okay, so let's say you're tired from work, so what will you recommend?
If you do not like pressure and more of soft and relaxation, if you're okay with some pressure but like moderate or kind of hard, Traditional Helot, that's why it's our best seller.
Okay.
And like I said, if you want 2 hours, you get an additional free add-on. If 1.5 hours, you also get freebies here.
So,
Many freebies.
what is bone setting?
Bone setting is similar to chiropractic. It just helps readjust your bones a little, and then our bone setter can also help with nerves.
Mm-hmm.
He's really good. It's
Or,
similar to chiropractic.
okay, so how can we contact you? Or do you have any socials that we can follow?
You can follow us at You Need a Massage Paranaque. That's the branch or page for this one. And then we have a page for Russia. And then you can also contact us on our Seal Green. That's more for home service.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This video is brought to you by Glutasol Soap by Erickson's Choice.
Or Gina Easy Care Cover Patch, a quick solution to pesky blemishes. Busy Bee Cleaning Corporation. Freedom to create, shine with your unique style. VinFast VF3. Elevating Man's Grooming with Envy My Man.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and also thank you so much to all the sponsors na nag-sponsor ng ating video for today. And also, I would like to thank all the watchers for this vlog. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and also ring the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking latest video. And also, make sure to stay tuned kasi meron tayong upcoming na videos in the next coming weeks. Again, this is Bogswang, and I'll see you again next time.